YouTube is pushing new creators. Now you can monetize your channel with 500 subscribers only. And this is the perfect time for you to shine. And in this video, I am going to tell you a way how you can shine. I was watching some massage content on YouTube when this video got on my recommendation, Scary Things Hikers Have Encountered in the Woods. I clicked on it and watched it. After watching the video, I realized this video that got 1 million views on this channel, which got over 6 million subscribers, by uploading horror stories that are so easy to make that you can make it by giving just 20 minutes of your day with the help of AI. And the best part is you don't have to spend a single dollar on making this type of stories, and I am going to teach you how. All you have to do is subscribe this channel, and yeah, that's all. You can also monetize your channel and start making passive income. After doing some more research, I found a few more channels that are uploading horror stories and making money, and it's a good thing that only a few channels are in this niche. You have now the golden chance to make a spot among these fewer people. And if you are thinking about how much money these channels make, Mr. Nightmare earns $40,000 per month, Nighttime Spooks earn $5,000 per month, and Chilling Scares earn $8,000 per month. And you can also make money by following my steps in this video. One more important thing is that I discovered a new way how you can beat your little competition and grow very fast after just starting out, so stick to the video till the end. So let's move on to how we can create horror stories. We are going to follow few steps. First, we are going to find the story which we will use on our video, and for that we are going to use ChatGPT. Second, we are going to convert our script into a voice, using a free AI tool to generate unlimited text-to-speech. Third, we are going to find the visuals related to the story using Leonardo AI. Then we finally combine all these things and edit our video and upload it on YouTube. And after that, I share with you a bonus on how you start with a boom. But before moving to these steps, let's quickly create our channel. I go to ChatGPT and ask the chatbot to give me some channel name suggestions. I upload horror stories. Here we got many options. Choose the one you think to works the most. I like this name, Ghosty Grips. Now let's create our YouTube channel. Write name of your YouTube channel, and we need a logo and banner for our channel to look professional, and for that, I am going to use Leonardo AI. And if you don't know how to use Leonardo AI, you can watch my previous video. Simply go to Leonardo, choose the dimension 1024*1024 and search a horror story channel logo 4K sharpen. Here we got options. Simply download the logo you like the most, and now we need a banner, and for that, I choose the aspect ratio 16:9 and search scary banner. Here we got our banner. Download this and go to Canva and search YouTube banner and adjust your banner and download it. And with these steps, congratulations, you have created your YouTube channel. So now let's move on to creating a story, and for that I ask the chatbot to write me a scary story with first-person perspective in 300 words. Here we got our story. Simply copy and save it in words. Now moving to our next step, converting our text script into AI voice. I have checked lots of AI voice generators, but all are paid. You have to pay for a subscription after converting a few hundreds words to voices. But after keep searching, I found this Clipchamp, where you generate unlimited voice with lots of different AI voices in different language. Simply open Clipchamp, create your free account and click on create a new video. After that, click on record and create, then click on the text to speech. Here you got many different voice accent with different male and female voice. And the best thing is you can also choose the voice style. I am going to choose my voice style to terrified. Because it's a horror story, you must also decrease your voice speech speed, otherwise it didn't sound good. Now paste your story script and save to media, and export as a video in any resolution. Now after that, we need to extract the audio from this video. So go to any browser and search audio extractor. Open this website and select your video file, and click on convert to MP3 and download it. Now moving to our next step, finding image related to the story. Open your script and find some sentences for generating images, like this: the room was shrouded in the darkness. I copy this word and paste it into Leonardo, and Leonardo generate this amazing image. Simply download this and repeat this for 5 to 10 images. Now next we are going to find some horror copyright-free sound effects and music, and for that, I choose Kozik. It's free and it has a large library of music, so I want horror sound effects. So I click on horror and here choose the one you like the most, and download it. Now we have everything we need. So moving to our final steps, combining all these things and create our final products. And for that, I am going to use Premiere Pro. If you don't have Premiere Pro, you can use DaVinci Resolve. It's free, and if you are using a mobile, you can use KineMaster or CapCut. It's best, so I create a dimension for YouTube video, and drag the audio in panel, add the image, add some zoom effect, and add the background music you downloaded from Kozik, and now it's done. Export the video and upload to your channel. And for the thumbnail, go back to Leonardo, and search scary thumbnail, in 16:9. Now the bonus, most important part, is how you get ahead of your competition, and start with a boom. There are a few ways you can stand out. First is to optimize your channel, and see what your competitor's channel is doing. You can install the vidIQ extension. All you have to do is search vidIQ extension, and install it. This extension helps you with title, description, tags, and helps you check your competitor's strategy. Also, you can see your competitor's tags for free. And the second most important thing you should do is trim out approximate 30-second video clip where the story creates hooks, and upload it on YouTube Shorts, and add the video link on the Shorts description, because Shorts have higher chances of getting recommended. And by creating a hook in the Shorts, viewers will go and watch the full video. And yeah, you are free to do more experiments on your channel and check out what's working best for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for future videos. Here is a few seconds of our story.
I woke up with a start, my heart pounding loudly in my chest. The room was shrouded in darkness, and a cold chill ran down my spine. As I strained my ears to listen, I